Alright guys, welcome back. So this is class number 7, okay? And we are going to keep up with the content now. We are going to talk about the vocabularies from this unit. Now it's page number 22, okay? Right. So it's from the same subject. Here we are going to talk about some vocabularies related to health collocation. It's important to study collocation in English because collocation is what you say in that specific language that will connect to the idea that I want to pass to someone when I'm speaking. It's different from Portuguese, yes? I always like to give an example as using the collocation like verb, noun, like take a shower. What is take a shower? Take a shower is tomar banho, right? But we don't say tomar in translating into English. What is tomar? Like drink. So we don't say drink a shower, we say take a shower. So we have to adapt the language, adapt the verb to the correct noun. So that's verb noun collocation, right? Here in this unit we are going to work health collocation. We are going to use specific verbs that are connected with specific problems, yeah, health problems, okay? So I'm going to work with some of the pictures here first. Picture A, we have somebody here with a problem. I put here, if you want to search in your computer some information about it. So I put here the vocabulary. Someone with a leg, a broken leg, maybe. You need to use plaster. That's the protection that for the bone to recover. Okay, so use plaster. So picture letter B here. Someone is not feeling okay, so he's like holding his head. Yes, holding is when you get something. Yes. In picture letter C, here I have somebody with a medicine. Right, when you are not feeling good, you take a medicine. So somebody is holding a spoon to take a medicine here in letter C. So letter D here, I have someone using a bandage, yes, for protecting maybe a cut, yeah, when you cut some part of your body, so you protect using this thing. And letter E here, I have somebody, this is not nice, taking an injection, and for that, the metal part that enters your body, it's called needle, all right? So putting a needle to, take an injection, right? Or a vaccine or something like this. Letter F here, I have somebody that was playing tennis and she's got a pain in her neck, all right? So a pain in the neck. What else? We have in letter G here somebody swimming, okay? Nice, swimming in a swimming pool. This is called the pool where you swim, yes. And the last one, letter H. Here I have somebody doing, perhaps I can see an acupuncture, I think. Yes, that's the word I use here, acupuncture, right? Again, you use the same equipment, you use needles to put in your body. That is not nice, but it's good, it's healthy, right? So now, if knowing some of the vocabularies and checking some of the picture, now I think we can do exercises here. So we're going to do a match statement. So we have some statements from 1 to 8 with some highlighted here. Some words are highlighted. The highlighted words are the words that are the collocation, verb and noun, verb and noun. For example, here we have the word keep, fit, lose weight. So this combination gives me an idea what is the word itself, the collocation itself, right? So I'm going to read for you. Number 1, swimming is a great way to keep fit and lose weight, right? To keep is to maintain, yes, to keep fit. I could use, in Portuguese I would say manter a forma, yes, but in English we say keep fit, yes. And lose, perder, lose weight, right? So of course this one is letter G, the one that we talk about swimming in the swimming pool. By the way, somebody that swims, it's a swimmer. We studied this before, how you transform nouns or verbs into a profession or somebody who does the action, okay? So number 2 here, I put a muscle in my neck and I put some ice on it immediately. So somebody that pulled the neck, we saw that one there, yes. So here we have letter F, somebody that was playing tennis, pulled the neck. You see, that's the word, the collocation. Yet when you pull a neck, you have a problem in your neck. Then it's very sore, it's very difficult to move. All right? I'm going to talk about some extra vocabularies related to pain. I've talked to you about this in class, but I'm going to talk to you again. Number 3, acupuncture is a good way to treat an injury. Okay? Here I have the verb treat, yes, similar to Portuguese, yeah, tratar. And then I have an injury. Injury, he's treating here in letter, of course, letter H, yes. Some parts of the body here in the neck that are not okay for this person, okay? Number 4, I cut my finger using a clean bandage. Helps heal the wound quickly. So here I have this word here. I know that when I cut my finger, is that picture there? It's letter D, yes. When somebody cut the finger, here, parts of the body. And here, to heal the wound is the cut. When you cut part of your body or when you hurt in your body, that's called the wound. Yes, for example, a soldier go to the war, and sometimes they go back with a lot of wounds. Yes, so problems. To heal when it gets okay, when you recover. All right. To heal is to recover, to get back to normal. Right. To heal the wound quickly, you protect. That's what is happening here in the picture. Number 5, I hurt my arm, so I'm having an injection to help the pain. So somebody with an arm that was not okay, hurt, an accident, yeah, hurt my arm. So some problems here, yes. So to recover, to get back to normal, this person is having an injection. Hurt an arm, hurt a part of your body, yes. So the collocation here is have an injection, right? So you see that in Portuguese we say differently. Think about how would you say that in Portuguese, right? Have an injection, yes. It's not ter uma, yes. It's something different, right? So that's why we have to adapt the language. So have an injection today to help to release the pain. And of course, that is picture letter E, right? So number 6, I feel stressed at work and I can't sleep. I don't know what to do. So feel stressed when you're not okay. Yes, that's similar to Portuguese. Yes, and obviously that's picture letter B. And number 7, again, just before that, feel stress, verb collocation here. I have to use this word to combine with the word stress. Number 7, I fell and I broke my ankle last week. I still can't walk on it. Right, part of the body. This is an ankle, yes. So somebody broke it, yes. Broke a part of the body. Break is the verb, is in the past here. So that's verb collocation. Break a bone. Bone is part of the solid part of your body. Okay? In this case, an ankle. I have to put here. That's letter A, right? Number 8, I have a sore throat. I'm going to take some medicine. So here, a person that has a sore throat, sore is the same as pain, a pain in your neck, but inside of your neck, a sore throat. The throat is this part here, but the inside part of your neck, right? If you have a sore throat, you take medicine. Take some medicine. Take some because it's liquid, yes. In this case, to take some liquid, some medicine to recover. And of course, that's letter C, right? That's something important that I'm going to say. You can say many different ways to say that your body has a problem. You can say that you have a pain. That's one word. I'm going to write it here. Right, I'm going to highlight. That's the word. You can say a pain in my neck, a pain in my leg, a pain in my foot. But you also can say this part here. You can use this word that we use there. That's the word, I don't know if you can see here. Yes, sore, right? But you can say that a part of your body is sore. Yeah, so you have, it's not so common to say, but for this part, the neck, it's really common to say sore throat. What else you can use? You can use a word called ache, right? This is the word ache. Ache also represents pain. So we have sore, ache, and pain to say that your body is not okay, right? Which situation do I use this word ache? With a combination of 5 parts of your body. For example, if you have a pain in your head, you say that you have a headache. If you have a pain in your back, you say that you have a backache. If you have a pain in your stomach, you say that you have a stomachache. If you have a pain in your ears, you say that you have an earache. If you have a pain in your tooth, you say that you have a toothache, right? So 5 aches, yes, remember the 5 aches? Headache, toothache, earache, stomachache, and backache, all right? That's the ones that you can say right. I'm gonna write there in the Google Classroom. Some of that I also will include a video so you can watch parts of the body and also parts of can be connected to pain, ache, and sore, all right? Very good, let's move on. Okay, right, now that we know that specific vocabularies, the combination like keep fit, pull a muscle, feel stressed, heal the wound, have an injection, they are health collocation. Here I have a health problem, yes, together with a verb, okay? So here we have to do a simple exercise which is to match using these words, right? That is in your book on page 22, right? So for example, here we have number 1, have medicine put in your body with a needle. Remember what is a needle here? Yes, a needle, that metal part that goes in your body. So when you have to do it, what do? You, of course, have an injection, right? That's the verb collocation for this part. So number 2 here, do physical activities to be healthy. Wow, okay, physical activities to be healthy is to keep fit, right? So when you do sports activities, you want to be good, you want to keep fit, right? Or sometimes lose weight. Number 3, get worried because of pressures you feel, right? It sounds like when you are under pressure, you feel a little bit stressed, yes? Worried means preoccupied, yes? Pressure is similar to Portuguese. Number 4, hurt a muscle. Remember the word hurt? When you cut or you strain or you break something, you hurt something. In this case, you hurt a muscle by straining too much, like too much, right? So what happening there? And of course, that is pull a muscle. Maybe this one is a bit more difficult to memorize, so you have to work on that when you have a problem of muscle, right? So if you don't know what is a muscle, right, Muscle is a part of your body combined with the bone. It makes you strengthen. It makes you walk. That gives you the power, the strength of your movement, right? Check, Google it. What is a muscle? I'm not translating this one. So hurting a muscle by stretching too much. When you stretch it too much, you pull a muscle, right? Number 5, make a cut in your skin healthy again. So when you cut it, yes, your skin is the external part of your body. So our body is covered with skin. So when you cut it, and of course that is heal a wound. Make a cut in your skin, healthy again. So it goes back, it gets back to normal, all right? You heal the wound, okay? Interesting vocabulary. These combinations here, they are really interesting because that's how English says, how English speaks about it, yes? So maybe in Portuguese, we use a different verb for this one, but in English we have to use a specific verb. That's why translations sometimes they are not good. It's good for you to remember the words, but it's not good to speak in the correct way as English would say this one. All right, let's move on. Okay, here I have one of the last exercises here. Now that we have all the meaning of the words and the ideas that they represent, now we need just to check if you understand them. All right, you're gonna just circle the one. So, do you think you need to? Then we have 2 options, take and heal, and we are talking about medicine, right? So, do you heal the medicine or do you take a medicine, right? So, take means drink or eat. And of course, in this case, when you're thinking about medicine, can be a pill, can be a liquid, a syrup, or anything that will heal or make you feel good about it. All right? Number 2, Alice broke. I have 2 options here. Broke and pulled her leg while she was skating. Water skiing, sorry. Right? So a leg, this part of the body here, a leg. So you don't pull, you pull what? A muscle, right? In here you are breaking something. That's why we use the word break in the past, broke, right? So number 3, we did a lot of exercises over the summer vacation and we took or lost weight. Right here, guys, take medicine. We've done here, right? The verb collocation for this unit is this one. When I'm thinking about weight, weight means like the kilos that you have in your body, yes? So, of course, lose, lost in the past, right? Weight. Number 4, I was carrying some heavy boxes and so I was carrying some heavy boxes and then 2 possibilities, healed or hurt my back. Remember the word hurt when your body is not okay with something. Healed is the opposite when it's good. So if you're carrying a box, you cannot heal. So of course you hurt your back in this case, right? So remember in this case I could say backache because the 5 aches that we have, yes, one of them is backache. Number 5, what do you think is the best way to 2 possibilities, treat or take a neck injury? To take a neck injury, no, take is to take medicine. Here is to treat an injury. Remember what is an injury? Machucado, right? So you treat it and of course that's the correct one. All right? Okay, guys, the last but not least, right? Verb collocation. And here we are going to talk about phrasal verbs. They are not connected to health, but they are the 4 phrasal verbs that we use in that unit, right? Remember, we always study 4 different types of phrasal verbs. Phrasal verbs are also combination of a verb plus a particle. Here we have 4 different types. We have the verb look with the particle for, so look for or looked for in the past. Warm up, yes, when you do exercise, you warm up. Work out and figure out. This one is really nice because when you're watching a series or sitcoms, American especially, they used a lot this one to figure out something, right? Okay, so I'm gonna read the sentence for you, and then you see if you can match with these ones here, right? You tell me. I can hear your voice, yes? Tell me, right? So number 1, we looked for a present for Carly's birthday yesterday. So imagine the situation. You need to go to a birthday party, not now because it's not possible, yes? Virtual birthday parties, let's think about this. So, and you need to buy some present. What do? You go to a shop and you look for, so you try to discover what is good. So look for, in this case, of course, it is, right, to try to find somebody or something. So I took this information and I put down here, easy to see, right? So look for is to find, to try to find something. Imagine that you lost your wallet, or you lost your cell phone, then you're trying to find it. So I'm looking for, and this verb look, combine it with different prepositions or a particle here, gives a lot of different meanings, okay? Number 2, the baseball players warmed up on the field before the game. Imagine the situation, yes, a football team or a basketball team or any team, before playing soccer, they have to do some exercises, yeah? That's called the warm-up, yes? So they have to get hot, yes? So the muscles and the body is prepared to play. So you first warm up. So, of course, it's not a strong or heavy exercise. It's actually a light exercise before a sport. Because if you do very heavy and strong exercise before you're going to play, then it's a trouble, yes, you're gonna get tired. And number 3 here, I work out in the gym 3 times a week. I think this is very popular here, common in Brazil to say work out. Yes, you see in English sometimes in some gyms, yeah. So the word gym here, yes, Google it, yes. Use a good dictionary for this one, yes. So workout means to do physical training. So for example, you go to the gym, you work out. So you work your muscles, you work your legs, and you work all your body. Number 4, the last one but not least, the student figure out the answer to the problem. So basically, figure out is to discover, yes? If it's a math problem or a Portuguese problem, then I'm thinking, and then, oh, I know the answer. That's when you figure out the answer, right? So this one here is figure out, calculate, or solve something. Solve means to resolve, yeah, the same idea. Resolve, solve a problem or a situation. Okay, guys, for vocabularies for this unit, that's it. I hope you understand. I'll leave some activities for you, some Google Forms for you to do. I think it's good for you to revise. I also try to leave, I don't know if I will manage this time, a Kahoot game. Yes, I know that you like the Kahoot. Then you can do it. For last classes, I left a Kahoot for you. So I hope you understand and you do good studies on this part here. And remember this even unit. This part is the unit for test. Yes, in future we are going to use unit 3 for test. Okay, thank you so much. Have a good one.